Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is communication, the make or break hypersonic missile of the modern world. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age where the world is hyper-connected, the power of communication has never been more potent nor more precarious. It moves at hypersonic speeds, influencing minds, reshaping narratives, and defining relationships across continents. Whether spoken or written across languages or cultures, communication remains humanity's most remarkable tool, gifted, innate, and yet increasingly undervalued in its refined form. Communication is both an art and a science. Its finest expression is marked by elegance, clarity, and emotional intelligence. Across civilizations and generations, respectful and purposeful communication has always commanded admiration. It heals wounds, forges trust, and unites differences. But today, in a world of instant messaging, algorithm-driven news feeds, and AI-assisted translations, this art risks dilution. The trend toward brevity and impact has replaced reflection with reaction. From short posts to viral videos, the focus has shifted from depth to reach. While the digital revolution has democratized access, empowering every voice, it has also unleashed a wave of noise, often blurring the line between meaningful discourse and motivated narratives. Social media platforms, once envisioned as bridges, now often echo with division, misinformation, and personal intrusion. This transformation is not merely technological. It is psychological, emotional, and even spiritual. Communication originates in the mind, shaped by mental states, emotional conditions, and inner clarity. A message born from negativity risks conflict, while one grounded in sincerity and balance fosters constructive outcomes. Where both sender and receiver operate with empathy, respect, and a focus on shared purpose, communication becomes transformative. Yet, one vital truth remains: intent does not guarantee impact. Often, individuals may not mean harm, but unclear or emotionally unfiltered language may leave damaging impressions, especially when the emotional state of the recipient is unpredictable. Hence, it is the communicator's responsibility to be clear, kind, and precise, leaving no room for misinterpretation. What's the way forward? To preserve and enrich the art of meaningful communication, there must be a renowned emphasis on conscious expression. This must begin early, integrated into education, practiced in families, and reinforced in public platforms. Language, tone, timing, and intention must align with values of positivity, purpose, and progress. As the poet Khalil Gibran beautifully said, speak only when your words are more beautiful than silence. Let this become a guiding principle, particularly in an age where words can reach millions in seconds. The responsibility of communication today is not just about what is said, but how it is received. Ancient wisdom offers guidance. Many traditions taught that words are sacred and silence too has value. In the age of AI and machine learning, these human sensibilities must not be lost. Intelligent systems must be trained not just to process syntax but to sense sentiment. Human emotional context must not be an afterthought. It is central. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the future of communication demands intentionality. Just as hypersonic speed can be constructive or catastrophic depending on control, so too is communication. It is time to treat it not as a casual tool, but as a high impact force shaped by mind and spirit, elevated by technology, and governed by conscience. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna profoundly declares, speech that does not cause distress is truthful, pleasant, and beneficial, and involves self-study, is declared as the austerity of speech. Let this be the compass. Let communication be positive, purposeful, and progressive, consciously. Because in the end, communication doesn't just transmit information, it shapes futures. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.